You know, probably the number one objection that we get to eating healthy is that it's too expensive, that if you want to eat healthy, it's going to break the bank. And the reality is, this is the most inexpensive, economical way to eat on the planet while also fueling yourself with the most glorious, nutrient-rich, colorful foods on the planet. This right here, right, we ordered this using the PLANTSTRONG meal planner, using Instacart delivered right to our front door for a family of 5, breakfast, lunch, and dinners. Again, for 7 days, it cost us a staggeringly low $116, right? Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, and seeds. The only thing that was not included here were spices because we already have those in our cabinet. Now, I want you to know that we don't care if you're buying organic, conventional, frozen, right? It all works. Our goal here for the 7 days is to have you eating as many whole food, nutrient-dense plants as possible. We're not going to get hung up on organic, conventional, frozen. All these things count in actually transporting your health to the next level. So there you have it. This is what it's all about. Love it, love it, love it.